G'day everyone, welcome back to Pete's Investing. Today's April 22, 2023. This is the US crude oil price update. On the daily, you can see we're in a pretty strong downtrend on the CCI 1500 with a moving average 400. On the 4-hour chart, we've got a bit of a break to the upside, but notice the CCI itself is moving down, and that aligns with the hour chart, which is also in the downtrend. So let's look at each of these. On the daily time frame, you can see it's been in a pretty strong downtrend for some time, with some minor little retracements to the upside, and more recently it's broken up and bounced off this resistance level at 83.40, and we've got a key support area down here at 64.36 plus this descending trend line, so it may come back and rest on that descending trend line possibly in the coming days. On the 4-hour chart, that has broken to the upside of the CCI, but it's weakening, coming towards its moving average. I've got two levels of Fibonacci retracements here. So this larger time frame between that high and that low there, you can see there it's bounced off that resistance, and that happens to be the 61% level, around the 61% level at 82.03, and it's bounced down from there. So that's our key level of to look out for. And generally, if that had broken above the 61%, that would have been a change of reversal. The other level here to look out for is the Fibonacci retracement. Notice here it's broken below the 23%. And now it's approaching the 38% level, and it's made a little bounce there. Doesn't mean it's going to continue up, it just means it could be a little retracement before continuing down. So again, to look out for, there's a 61%. If it breaks through there, then it's going to continue to the downside, and that coincides with our diagonal trend line as well, possibly. So just be mindful of that. On the 1-hour chart, you can see there was above the moving average of the CCI, but it's recently broken to the downside, so further weakening possibly. So again, if I was going to be trading this, I'd be looking at making sure that is consistent with the higher time frames. So with the exception of the 4-hour period, the daily is still in a downtrend. The 1 hour is in a downtrend now, and this is it looks like it's approaching this moving average. So possibly take short trades only. And one trading idea I've got here is if it breaks below the fractals, you can enter a short positioning. So as it breaks below the fractals here, as the CCI breaks to the downside, you could have entered short when it broke below the fractals there. Another entry would have been at that level there. The bar broke below the fractal. Another entry there, and so on. Another entry there. Now it's bounced to the upside. So to understand how to properly trade, if it goes against you, you need to use the average down approach. We don't use stop losses. Reference the links in the description below. Subscribe and support us more on Patreon. Thanks for watching, and see you in a future video.